If you're watching this right now, you're probably one of 3 people. Maybe you've got hybrid cars rolling in your shop every single week and you're watching that money walk right out the door. And the only reason why you're losing that money is because you don't offer hybrid battery replacement. Or maybe you just want a new revenue stream in your automotive shop without a huge investment. Listen, right now, 1 in 5 cars being sold in the United States is a hybrid or an EV. 5 years ago, it was 1 in 8. That number is only going in one direction. These batteries are already in your customers' cars. We're Greentec Auto. 13 years ago, we replaced our first hybrid battery and realized how many people needed this exact service. Today, we've developed a network of 34 locations across the United States, Canada, and in the UK. And literally all we do every single day is replace hybrid batteries. There are over 250 different types of hybrid batteries across all vehicles on the road. Shops and dealerships don't want to stock them because, as you can tell, they take up a lot of space. But installing one is simpler than you think. On a Prius, for example, which is the most common hybrid car on the road, a customer comes in your shop, you diagnose the car, pull the battery out, put a new one in, and within 45 minutes to an hour, you've made your money and you've supplied them with their service. That's why we created the Greentec Wholesale program. You sign up, you call us whenever a customer comes in with a battery issue, we get you a discounted price and you can charge whatever markup you want to your customer. You keep the margin, we don't touch it. If you want to add a new revenue stream to your shop, battery replacement is the #1 thing that people are doing in 2026. We currently work with thousands of shops all across America and in Canada. And if you want to join that list and add a new revenue stream to your shop, click the link below or give us a call and we'll get you set up today.